Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our offline classes. At present, I am in a 10th standard first language English class. Dear students, in this class, we have to understand the new concept and interesting story about the stolen boat. It is one of the new poem composed by William Wordsworth. As you know already about William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is considered as the nature poet. So we have to introduction of the poet. Who is the poet here? William Wordsworth. Here page number 112. In that they are given in your textbook the introduction of the poet. William Wordsworth, he lived duration time of 1770 to 1850. It is the duration period of William Wordsworth. Dear students, just you have to understand the stolen boat is the new poem. So it is one of the interesting story. This story based on the childhood life story of William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth lived duration time of 1770 to 1850. He is considered one of the greatest poets of English literature. I already explained about that. He was one of the major soul to the English literature. And William Wordsworth and his friend S.T. Coleridge, by their joint publication of the lyrical ballads. One more English personality is there, that is none other than S.T. Coleridge. He is a favorite friend, his close friend. William Wordsworth, the close friend, S.T. Coleridge, both are published a book. The book name is Lyrical Ballads. Just you have to understand that point. Lyrical ballads became the harbingers of the Romantic movement. The Romantic movement started in the 19th century. We already know that. It is the 19th century. He was belonged to 19th century. In that year, Romantic period also started in the English literature. Why? Because he joined hand with his favorite friend, close friend S.T. Coleridge. That is the work Lyrical Ballads. The next point is that the episode of the stolen boat is based on the experience of William Wordsworth's early boyhood days. I already explained about when I started this poem. The stolen boat, it is the life story, it is the childhood life story of the William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, how he was duration of in his childhood. The entire story we have to understand in this poem. The next point we have to understand here. This is an extract from book 1 of William Wordsworth, the great philosophical poem, The Prelude. That is, the Prelude is one of the major book of William Wordsworth. In that, it is one of the part. This is one of the part of his childhood memory. So, dear students, I hope you understand about the little bit brief information about William Wordsworth. Okay. Now it is the time to understand pre-reading activity. Every poem when we have to start it, at the time we have to understand pre-reading activity. What is the meaning of pre-reading activity? The poet will be asked you some of the previous knowledge questions to you. That means those questions are related to our life. So here William Wordsworth also here asked one question. What is the question there? Here, imagine a child has been caught stealing a pen. Just I once again tell you, what is that? Imagine a child has been caught stealing a pen. What will you do if you were the child? You were the headmaster of the school. If you are the headmaster, in your school there is a little boy or child stealing a pen. what you have to do? That is the question. Or else you are the brother of a child. That child is stealing a pen in your home. What will you do? That is the answer accepted by the William Wordsworth from you. So you should answer that question and show to me on Saturday, okay, without fail. Here, the next point, we have to start here the very first stanza. Dear students, just you have to understand, we already know that introduction part of the poet. The second part, he asked one question to the readers. We also completed. Now it is the time to understand the first stanza of the poem. So everyone should open your textbook and recite your recite. When I am reciting those lines, at the moment you have to put your finger, running finger, and if you have any doubt or new words, you should write one side and ask me on Saturday. Okay. The very first stanza is that one summer evening. Here, the entire Gregorian calendar contains three major seasons. One is rainy season, one is winter season, one more is summer season. One summer evening, what happened? I found a little boat tied to a willow tree within a rocky cave. It's usually home. Straight I unloosed her chain and stepping in pushed from the shore. It was an act of stealth. In the very first stanza, in his childhood life, William Wordsworth mainly explained about that one summer evening he stolen a boat. He stolen a boat, and where is that boat? He found that a little boat tied to a willow tree. Where is the willow tree? Willow tree is within a rocky cave. Rocky means a huge stone is there. That stone, behind it there is a home. In that home there is a willow tree. In that willow tree the boat is tied with it. That is the meaning. The next, what next happened? It usually home. That rocky cave usually what it is? It is a home. The next, straight I unloosed her chain. When he found out the boat tied with the willow tree, at the moment William Wordsworth went to the near that boat and unloosed the chain. The chain is tied with the willow tree. He went and unloosed there. What will happen next? And stepping in pushed from the shore. He took that boat from the shore to into water. Okay. The last one. It was an act of stealth. It was an acting of stealth. So this is the craziness he made in his childhood life. Okay. Dear students, I hope you understand this first stanza and free reading activity and introduction of the poet in this class. In the next class, we have to understand the second stanza, what he shared with us, the experience of in his childhood memories. Okay, thank you so much.